The season changes. Mangoes come into our households and people start to get scared. People are not scared of overdosing on supplements that give you tall claims about health benefits and hair and fat loss. They're not scared of junk and ultra-processed food. They're not scared of smoking, vaping, and alcohol. But they're worried if a humble mango will make them gain weight, will cause heat in their body, will cause a hormonal imbalance, will cause diabetes in their body. That's where we need a mindset change. This humble mango that you see is powerful in something called mangiferin, one of my favorite. And why? Mangiferin is a powerful polyphenol, which is an antioxidant and an anti-inflammatory. It supports your heart health, it supports your brain health, and it also has anti-diabetic properties by improving insulin sensitivity. You can have one mango. You don't need to overdose and overeat mangoes. That's where the problem is if you have diabetes. 2, rich in vitamin C, rich in vitamin A, rich in folates, rich in fiber, rich in flavonoids like quercetin and gallic acid, making it a wholesome fruit. Use your common sense. If it doesn't suit you, if you're allergic to it, just don't eat it. I can enjoy a humble mango by doing a simple test. Everyone's scared about carbides, and we should, because it's rampant in our country, even though it's illegal. How do I test a mango in the simplest way? To know if it has carbides and avoid buying it, because that's not great for our body at any level, at a cellular level. Number 1, I'm going to look for uniformity in the skin. If there are small black dots in it, I'm going to be careful of that. Number 2, I'm going to do a pressure test. If it's firm, it's got the right amount of pulp. Of course, if it's overripe, it'll be different. If it's firm, it may be good. 3, I'm going to fill a jar of water and put the mango in. If it soaks, it's good. If it floats, it most possibly has carbide. Because when it's overripened faster, using a carbide chemical, the pulp is much lesser in it, causing it to float and causing it to be a little squishy and not firm when the mango has all of its pulp. This is a simple test that all of you can do at home. Should you do the test? Absolutely yes. Because the amount of carbides being used is a lot, and that is affecting our health at a cellular level. Your kids, your parents, senior citizens, that's a test that everyone can do. Do not be afraid of the humble mango. Be afraid of a poor lifestyle. Can this single humble mango make you fat? Let's bust that myth right now. It's impossible for this mango to make you fat unless you are exceeding the total number of calories in a day, then you burn. It's as simple as that. So you're having a mango. This could be roughly between 80 to 100 to 120 calories. And then you're also having a dessert, and you're overdoing it on chocolate, and you're overdoing it on carbs and everything else. Now you consume more calories than your body needs. That's your lifestyle. That's your daily calorific intake that's making you fat. It is not the mango. I don't know why people are scared of a humble mango, but then it's not common. It's common to find people who don't do 1 mango a day. Metabolically fit people can do 2 mangoes a day. Metabolically unfit people can do maybe half a mango a day, or 1 with a great lifestyle. I'm talking about your workouts, I'm talking about your sleep, I'm talking about your control on stress and your overall calories. So if I want to enjoy a dessert guilt-free, I'm going to cut off something out of my diet in the day. Maybe 1 meal's not going to have any carbs. Are you diabetic? Insulin resistance? Scared to eat a mango? Well, of course, if you have poor control and you're overdoing it on mangoes, you're eating it late at night, it's not a good thing for you. If you're diabetic and your blood sugar levels are fluctuating, how can you still enjoy this fruit? Because it contains something called mangiferin that has an anti-diabetic effect when you do it the right way. And that's how you can prevent a spike in your blood sugar levels. It's always about the portion, the quantity, and the timing of the food that you eat. So if it suits you, do it. Even if you're diabetic, you can afford to have 1. If that's spiking, maybe half, but something's better than nothing. Be educated, not influenced.